an orange fat cat named Mr. Whiskers shares a delightful dinner with Donald Duck and a curious little bird named Furz, each bringing their unique flavor to the feast. As the meal unfolds, Mr. Whiskers playfully swats at a meatball, eliciting laughter from Donald Duck, while Furz watches intently, dreaming of a tasty morsel to savor. With a full belly and crumbs scattered everywhere, Mr. Whiskers leans back in delight, while Donald shakes his head in amusement. Furz, ever the opportunist, flits around the table, eager to snag a crumb.